So here we have a position for software engineer, and with us is Ahmed Shahid. Let's hear from him. Thank you, Ahmed, for joining us.
No, thank you.
So please introduce yourself.
My name is Ahmed, and I have been graduated as a software engineer in 2018 from University of Management and Technology. And afterwards, I have completed my master's from University of Bradford in 2020. And from that onwards, I am working as a software tester in different companies. Firstly, I have started my career in Catalytic. There, I was working on the CRM portals. Then I have joined in 2022 in Integlio. There I was working on the softwares which are for the integrations of the hardware. And currently I am working as a senior software tester at a company where it's an event management company. There I am playing the role of the software tester and their web cloud services.
Okay, very good. Thank you. And any certifications you have?
I have like web development certification, and currently I am working on the AWS certification of cloud certifications.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So I'm looking at your profile. So one good thing that I think we can recommend you to maybe restructure the profile. As you can see, there's some structuring needed, right?
Yeah.
Something up and down here and there. And also 3-page CV, again, something that we can show to our other candidates as well, and people to learn and understand. There's no one best format of the CV, right? So there are different formats. For example, in your third page, it's almost like white space. It doesn't require, right?
Yeah.
The information you can fit in the second page itself, that'll be fine. And then again, with the date, ascending order of your experience that you can put up.
Okay.
So one question that I'll carry on with, you talk about different framework and libraries, right?
Yeah.
So there are different elements. So give us some idea about that one.
Sorry, frameworks and libraries.
Yes.
Like, okay, so if we will take an example. We have a programming language. It's called PHP. So have it has different frameworks, but every framework is like an improved version of the previous one. So for Java or something like that, we have different libraries. That basically libraries are something like pre-built functions which we are using in our code to like minimize the time.
See, one question that I have is, if Vijdan, you agree, based on the new AI, everything is happening, right? So the boom where we don't require software engineers. Do you agree with that?
No.
Why not?
Because you have to give the instructions to the AI, like you can say, give me the code of this. But to review that code, you still need a software developer, that whether the code is working fine as per the requirement or not.
And is doing the right thing that you asked for, right?
Not properly, it's not matured yet.
Right. Yeah, no, what I mean is like, so you need to make sure as a software engineer that what AI has done, if they have done it in a right way.
Yeah, we can say it will minimize the number of vacancies in the software engineering, but it cannot completely remove the software engineering from the field.
Okay, good. So one thing is, when you talk about the software tester, so are you into the software development or testing the software?
Basically, I am in the software testing, and we are automating the testing process. We are developing the scripts which will automatically test the software and report the bugs to the companies.
Mm-hmm. I think you face a lot, Ahmed, a lot of challenge.
Yes.
I think not only in the software as a work and also with the customer.
Yeah.
So can you tell me more about these challenges?
Yeah, the biggest challenge we are facing right now, that there are different teams working on the project at the same time, and they are working on the different modules. And in software industry or the software, the modules are tightly coupled with each other. If I am working on a one module, I have tested all the things and I have given go ahead to deploy it into all the production. So if other team is working, and due to some ripple effect, my module is also affected, and the end customer when face that issue, they will come to us and they will say that you have tested this thing, why customer is facing that you can say that bug or the issue. So for that, sometimes we have to clarify that what is the cause of this issue. Then we will notify the company that it's not our fault, it's the other team fault. So that's the ripple effect of the other modules. So these kind of challenges we are facing like on the daily routines.
Okay.
So you work with teams.
Sorry.
You work with teams, like
Other
with people.
teams, yeah, you can say like different. There are different teams. The development team, the DevOps team, and like.
So you're leading. Any experience that you have with leading teams?
I am leading my own team in the testing team for the testers.
And how many people, maximum people that you have already led?
Like 5 person, and in previous company there were 4 persons.
Okay. So that's smaller teams comparatively,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Regarding the leadership, as you know, as a leader, you lead now 5 employees in your team. So the communication way, it's very important for your team. I mean, if the leader, if he didn't has a good communication, so maybe the team, they will get a wrong message. So how you can communicate with your team to give them a clear, what you call it, clear point and clear vision for their work.
So I will use multiple communication channels with them. Like for the group, I will have the group meeting with them, and when I have to one-to-one conversation with them, and I will ask them freely to ask me and if they have any confusion regarding the processes or the project.
Okay, that's good.
Good. So you mentioned somewhere in your profile as well that you have streamlined the quality cycles and issues and reduced 40% of post-release, issues and all that, right?
Yeah.
Let's say if we are going to hire you as our software testing engineer, how are you going to add value to our company?
So the basic thing is, as a software tester, they are also known as the software quality assurance engineers. So if I am providing the company the quality product and the end user is not getting any issues while using the software, I think this is the best part for the company to retain that customer. If the customer who is using the software and is getting like issues again and again, so like he will not use the services again. So I think this is the best part I can play, that I will assure that our product is bug free and the customer will not face any type of issues in that.
Okay, that's good. We've seen that you are having some education is fine. Do you have some certificates? Are you PMP certified or agile training or some of those?
No, I have done my degree in international project management. So I think I have only that one.
Okay. So when you join the company, then again sometimes they say, okay, train me on this and this. That's an extra burden, right? I mean, are you the one who will bring burden to the company, like train me on XYZ certificate, or are you self-learner and good learner?
I am self-learner. So because I think to be in the part, if you want to be a part of the software industry, you need to be keep updated yourself.
You need to do what? Sorry.
You need to be update yourself with the passage of time.
Okay, good. That's all from me. You have any questions?
Okay, what's the added value that want to add it in the company after hiring?
So I have already told them that as a software tester, they are also known as a quality assurance engineer. If I am providing the company the bug-free software and the end user is not reporting any issues while using the software, so I think that's the most valuable thing for the company to retain the customer. If the customer will face any issue, like they will not like going to use your services again. So I think that's the best part. We can play a role in the company.
So thank you, Ahmed, for joining us. I think I would recommend something which is, to be honest, my fair feedback to you.
Yeah.
You need to, loud up a little bit, right? Imagine that there are 3 or 4 customers or a bunch of people who are going to meet with you about the requirements or something. Most likely they are going to miss what you're saying. You need to be a little bit loud and clear, right? So that way they can understand what is happening, right?
Okay.
That's one recommendation, so that bring in the confidence and shows that yes, what you're saying is exactly what you mean, right?
Okay.
So that is one part to improve personally. I think that's from the communication side.
Yes,
that you will double that, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, yes, I think if we'll be hiring for a software tester, we'd like to give you an opportunity and see what you do, and maybe at least we'll go to the second round of technical interview.
Okay.
Right, so that is basically where we reach, and I think we will be talking to you more on the technical side of it, right? So the tools that you use and how you're using it, or maybe a demo about your software testing and all.
Okay.
You ready in case if you want to do our software testing right now?
Yeah.
Can you,
Yeah.
Yeah. What systems you need for us?
So a system, like I need that not a production side, because it was already tested by someone and
Right.
it will be bug free. So we need a freshly developed software which is not tested from anyone. Then I can like find the bugs in, and I can give you a report.
Normally, how much time do you require for this?
It's depend upon the module of the software or the software size.
Maximum time, worst case?
Maybe for a chunk of the software we need 1 to 2 days for that, for the small chunk.
Okay.
But for the whole feature, the whole module, may probably 1 week, 2 weeks.
I just told you to speak up, right? So you need to make sure that
Okay.
when you say be a little bit louder, right? Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you very much.
I
Thank you.
appreciate it,
Inshallah, best
Ahmed.
of luck.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you.